Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ay, ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light Jahan unfold, rise up on the mountain crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more change, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step a holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. River shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call Jah name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lay the weapon down, rise instead fi wear the crown. Glorious fire pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jah hand. Generation standing up, morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth, crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise, morning crown before the eyes. Justice flowing, mercy sing, morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true, morning crown for me and you. Come again, morning crown remain the same, light eternal never fade. By Jah power it was made, every nation bow and see, morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim, crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near, morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory, Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown, bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease, crown of light, declare the peace. A crown of morning light, bold and true, guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall, crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright, crown of Zion, morning light. On the mountain, in the plain, morning crown forever real. Shine, 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 Jah bless the people, yeah, man. In the circle, gather round, roots of the drum, shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone, carved in wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame, every beat exalt Jah name. From the forest, from the earth,
of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum, eternal sign.
Every echo tell the tale. Truth of Zion must prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true. Drum remind what people knew.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum, eternal sign.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. And roots of drum, eternal sign. Roots of the drum, strong and clear. Carry the message, year to year. Never fading, never gone. Roots of drum still play on. Forever sounding loud and free. Roots of drum for unity.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high, man. When the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall. Thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head. No more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak. Thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drumming rhythm strong. Carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar. Thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth revealed. Babylon kingdom now unsealed. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry. Babylon too are start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand. See the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide. Zion people stand with pride. Not by anger, not by sword. Thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of jagged clear. Freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing. Thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust. Thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry. Shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall. Thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon. Break the chain. Wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain. Thunder call again, again. Forever roaring, mighty strong. Thunder sing Jah holy song. La 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 la.
Na 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 Zion, Raga Yaman. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth it shine with flame. Zion Road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion Road, here to stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion Road, carry you. Zion Road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. It called the humble, guide the meek. Zion Road, all hearts seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion Road, shining strong. It climbed the hill, it crossed the sea. Zion Road, eternity. Forever steady, pure and long. Zion Road, just song. Me trod it in the morning sun. Zion Road never done. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion Road by Jahan, forever shining pure and true. Zion Road carry you. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road call his name. It stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road bring Jah peace. It guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth. Eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny. When the trumpets sound again, Zion Road still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion Road bless us all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road show Jah way. Eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, Jah song. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road keep we track. Zion Road clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion Road still carry on.
Ay, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Freedom rise in Zion land. Lift up Jah his mighty hand. It break the chain, it loose the tie. Zion freedom never die.
away the grief and pain. It wash away the grief and pain. It rise the heart, it lift the mind. It lift the mind. Song of Zion, always kind. No hate, no war can silence sound. Song of Zion, all around. Forever chant, forever play. Song of Jah, both night and day. It echo through the mountainside. Song of Zion never hide. It chant the truth, it chant the flame. Every note called Jah true name. It bind the people hand in hand. Song of love across the land. No chain can stop, no wall divide. Song of Zion always guide. Me hear it when the night is still. Me hear it when the night is still. Song of Zion bless me will. Song of Zion bless me will. It sing of hope, it sing of peace. Sing of peace. It make the troubled heart release. It teach the youth, it bless the old. Song of Zion never cold. Every verse a prayer so deep. Song of Jah, our soul will when the morning light arise. Song of Zion fill the skies. It never end, it never fade. Song eternal Jah has made. From root of man to crown above. Song of Zion, sing of love. Forever true, forever strong. Song of Zion, carry on. Sing high, sing free. Song of Zion, unity. No hate, no war can stop this sound. Song of Jah all around. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, no, sing it loud.
Zion, Ragga, man. Ay, Zion, Ragga, man. Ooh, blow across the desert wide. When the freedom, holy guide. Carry voices, lift the song. Break the chain that held too long. No one see it, still it's real. Wind of Zion, start to heal. Every whisper, every breath. Wind of life, defeat of death. Banner wave upon the hill. Why not just fulfill the will? Shout of you, cry of poor. Wind of justice, shake the door. Iron bars, them swing aside. Wind of freedom, mercy spread around. Da bound, 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 down, da bound, 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 da bound. Not of sword, not of fire. Wind up, lift this soul higher. Gentle breeze and mighty storm. Wind up Zion, still transform. Dust of war, swept away. Wind of peace, declare the day. Tear them wall, lift the veil. Wind of truth will never fail. Sailor guide, prophet sing. Wind announce, Jaja King. Whisper soft, yet strong and clear. Wind of Zion, always near. Babylon, try to hold it back. Still the wind, stay on track. Flow eternal, bold and free. Wind up love for destiny. Blow, blow, mighty sound. Lift the people off the ground. Rise, rise, spirit strong. Wind up Zion, carry on. Of liberation, free and true. Blow the chains away from you. Never stopping, never still. Wind of Zion, guide your will. Forever flowing, high and strong. Wind of freedom, carry song.
Na na na. Deep meditate, yeah, man. Crown of Zion, bright and pure. Holy blessing that
forever burning, never gone. Light of Zion shining strong. Light of Zion bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah forever stay. It shine upon the righteous path. Keep them safe from wicked wrath. It blaze the trail, it mark the road. Light of Zion ease the load. No shadow stand, no fear remain. Light of Zion heal the pain. It shine from root, it shine from crown. Lift the weary who are down. It glowing temple, glowing street. It light the song with holy beat. It show the truth, it show the lie. Light of Zion never die. Every spark a promise made. Every shine a prayer said. It bless the weak, it guard the strong. Light of Zion lead along. Me see it in the morning sun. Me see it when the day is done. It guide me dream, it keep me near. Light of Zion banish fear. It wrap the world in golden flame. It call the people Jah true name. Every soul it shine upon. Light of Zion carry on. When the trumpet sound in sky, light of Zion never die. It burn forever, bright and clear. Keep the faithful always near. From dawn of time to final day. Light of Jah forever stay. Shine eternal, shine divine. Light of Zion always mine. Shine bright, shine tall. Light of Zion bless us all. No cloud, no storm can dim the flame. Light of Jah forever same. Light of Zion bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah forever stay. From root to crown, from dusk to dawn. Light of Zion carry on. Na 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 na. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Na na na, na na na, done by the riverside, yeah, man. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high. Jahanda guide me, spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm. But love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light. Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide. Let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind. Leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide.
Na na na.
Let the
start to play, announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old, every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door, pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit that taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill, them tell me child keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain, for every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge a righteous road. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud. Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend, song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide, Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry, just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine, we walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm, Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree, tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside. Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide.
We step in with Jah as guide.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Only love for all mankind.
Open the gates of Zion wide.
Rasta children step inside.
Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. Aye, aye, aye. Zion, play the music, yeah man. Oh aye. Underneath the coconut tree, me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in chance, me no need no riches nor gold. Just shoots me out forever old. Ground. Every footstep make a conscious sound. Me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies for the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion to sea so blue. Me live one life and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way. Where ganja smoke rise and worries way. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love and the sacred flame. Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate. Only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliffy meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way. Where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Example, like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand. Fi uplift people in every land. Me nah follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance fi grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun. Cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and trees. Still chanting song fi set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name.
Zion a go, Zion, yeah. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah, man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me seal. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop how. The Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah Lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the Lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah inna me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever Lion strong, we keep it clean.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Iron mighty, strong and sure. Throne of Zion, ever pure. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of peace. Justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray. Throne of Zion, guide the way. Throne of Zion, bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. It rests upon the mountainside. Strong foundation, deep and wide. Prophets stand and angels sing. Crown of glory Jah will bring. No liar, thief or wicked plan can touch the throne of righteous man. Forever firm, forever
trumpet sound on high. Throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love. Throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end. Throne of Zion never friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall. Throne of Jah is over all. Stand tall, don't fall. Throne of Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay. Jah alone have throne for stay. Throne of Zion bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. From earth to heaven, root to crown. Throne of Zion never down.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man.
Before the sun peek over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world feel right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone. Chant and reason bout Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon, chain can bind. Zion well in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Nyabinghi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell this story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning rain. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle on the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flow so gentle, pure and sweet. Flow so gentle, pure and sweet. River cool the burning heat. From the mountain down it run. Bless the people, everyone. It heal the soul, it quench the thirst. River flow from Jah at first. Every drop a song of peace. River flow and love increase. River of Zion flowing free. Carry love to you and me. From the root to ocean wide. River keep the people guide. It wash away the stain of wrong. It carry chant, it carry song. It bring the seed fi grow in ground. River blessed with holy sound. No drought of hate, no flood of war. River heal forevermore. Flow eternal, flow divine. River flow with Jah design. It move the elder, move the child. Keep the spirit meek and mild. It run through city, run through land. River built by Jah own hand. Every bend, a truth reveal. Every wave, a wound is healed. No end, no break, no chain can bind. River bless the heart and mind. Me sit beside the riverside. Hear Jah whisper deep inside. It say, hold fast, don't go astray. River guide you night and day. It showed the way to righteous ground, where love and mercy all abound. Every drop a holy prayer. River of Zion always there. When the morning star is bright, river sparkle in the light. It carry joy, it carry song. River guide the tribe along. Forever flowing, never still. River move by Jah true will. From root to crown, from birth to end. River of Zion always friend. Flow wide, flow strong. River of Zion all lifelong. No dam, no wall can stop the tide. River of Jah always guide. River of Zion flowing free. Carry love to you and me. From the root to ocean wide. River keep the people guide. From mountain high to valley low. River of Jah forever flow.
Na Zion reggae and meditate, yeah man. Evening light paint the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. Spliff in a me hand, heart in a trance. Nyabinghi rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like ancient prayer. Calling on Jah, no say him near. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Just the fire, the herbs, and Jah holy name. My soul clean, my spirit ready. Babylon try and chain my thoughts, but Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke, rise high. Lift me soul to just sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Psalms while me eyes half closed. Nature whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen, fi see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook ital, live ital, think ital too. Me life for him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rule. Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early, for conscience sake. Me no need no church, for reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. All me need is the earth and sky, and a drum beat strong when me spirit cry. Evening smoke, rise high. Lift me soul to just sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. You them lost in a the noise and tech. Them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta na preach for likes and fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope. Me show them oh, Rasta cope. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can't see the path of love just said for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crowd, me not chase gold. Me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade but the light remain. Inna the smoke me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing. I praise to Jah to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me up me song, lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all
Zion
is so high, man. Mountain rise in Zion land. Holy work of Jahan. It touched the sky, it touched the flame. Zion mountain called your name. No Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain all around, forever standing, pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. Zion mountain, tall and strong, echo holy jazz song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name. It crowned the valley, crowned the sea. Zion mountain destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain shining strong. It guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain all hearts seek, forever rising, pure and white. Zion mountain holy tide. We climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain never done. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain fi all, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain by Jahan. It stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain holy guide. No Babylon can shake the stone. Zion mountain stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain destiny. It lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain just strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain show Jah way.